Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how you can make a secondary YouTube channel on the same email. So if you've already got one YouTube channel, I'm going to show you how you can make another one on the same YouTube channel and email. So what you need to do is come to YouTube obviously, and you need to sign into your account. So when you click on sign in, you should see all of the accounts that you currently have. Now you need to click on the account that you want to add the YouTube channel to. So maybe you've only got one email, so I'm going to sign into my email now. So now we're signed into my YouTube channel, we can see I'm signed into KnowledgeBase here. Now you can go to settings, and what you can do from here is you can actually create a new YouTube channel on the same email address. So if we scroll down here, we can click on add or manage your channels. And here we can create a new YouTube channel. So you can see I've got Bradley Harrison, which is just my standard Gmail account. I've also got a branded account called KnowledgeBase. What you can do is you can click on create a new channel. And then you can create a branded channel name. I'm going to call this Video Hub, just for the sake of the video. I'm then going to click on create. And now we have a branded YouTube channel, which is on the same email address. So if I go to switch account here, you can see we've got under the same email address, we've got KnowledgeBase, and we've also got Video Hub. We can also customize this channel. We can go to customize channel. We can then customize the icon. You can add a channel art. You can also go to the About section, customize that, and you can use this channel as pretty much a normal channel. So that's how you can add more than one YouTube channel on the same email address or YouTube account. If that video helped you out, make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.